What you doing up there?
Hey! Hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?
Aye, aye, Lumbax. Get down, mister.
He has been protecting Ephemeris for years. But now that you're here...
Whoa, look. I'm just trying to find my way home.
But you're Ratchet. You saved the whole universe. You're not supposed to... Oh, I sneezed in my mask.
Listen, kid. I'd love to help you and your dad. But my pal and I, we're retired. As soon as we're off the planet, we'll notify the Defense Force.
Susie is not my daughter. I'm afraid her parents were lost during the Ephemeris raid on Totem Phi. Like many other children here, she is an orphan.
All right. So where do we find this Commander Spock? Susie, what are you doing here?
Leading an assault.
I know how you feel, kid. A few years ago, I'd be doing the same thing, but running into something you're unprepared for isn't going to bring them back. Tell you what, why don't you and your friends guard this spot for us?
You mean like hold a perimeter?
Exactly. No one in, no one out.